Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gamesir G7 SE to the Xbox. First, power on your Xbox Series X, Series S, or Xbox One and go to the home screen. Then, press and hold the power button on the Gamesir G7 SE until it lights up. Next, insert the Gamesir USB receiver, also called the dongle, into a USB port on the Xbox. Most Xbox consoles have USB ports on the front and back. Wait a few seconds while the Xbox recognizes the dongle. After that, once the dongle is inserted and the G7 SE is on, it should automatically pair. You'll see the controller light stabilize when it's connected. Now, navigate to the Xbox menu using the buttons and sticks to confirm everything responds correctly. Try launching a game to ensure full functionality. If the controller doesn't connect automatically, turn off the controller first, then reinsert the USB dongle and turn the controller back on. Finally, press the pair button on the dongle if it's available to sync the devices. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.